Characteristic of a well-adjusted person. First is the physically adjusted. A well-adjusted individual enjoys wholesome adjustment in terms of his physical health and psychological well-being. He is physically mature and sound in relation to his age-linked physical and psychological growth and development. What he has in terms of his somatic structure, physical development, strength, ability, make him feel secure and satisfied. Second, emotional adjusted. A well adjusted individual demonstrates a well balanced emotional behavior. He is able to express desirable emotion in a proper amount as per the need of the situation and his own well being. Third, socially adjusted. A well adjusted individual is a socially mature individual. He has the necessary development in terms of social competency and social obligation. He knows his social environment and has a desire and capability to adjust himself to the demand of the social life. Fourth, awareness of his own strength and limitation. A well-adjusted person knows his own strength and weakness. He tries to make capital out of his asset in some areas by accepting his limitation in others. Fifth, respecting himself and others. The dislike for oneself is a typical symptom of the maladjustment. An adjusted individual has a respect for himself as well as for others. Sixth, an adequate level of aspiration. His level of aspiration is neither too low or nor too high in terms of his own strength and abilities. He does not try to reach for the stars and also does not repent over selecting an easier course for his advancement. Seventh, satisfaction of basic needs. His basic organic, emotional, social needs are fully satisfied or in the process of being satisfied. He does not suffer from emotional craving and social isolation. He feels reasonably secure and maintains his self-esteem. 8. Absence of the critical or the fault-finding attitude. He appreciates the goodness in object and person or activities. He does not try to look for weakness and fault. His observation is scientific rather than the critical or the punitive. He likes people, admires their good qualities and wins their affection. 9. Flexibility in behavior. He is not rigid in his attitude or the way of living. He can easily accommodate or adapt himself to change circumstances by making necessary changes in his behavior. 10th, the capacity to deal with the adverse circumstances. He is not easily overwhelmed by adverse circumstances and has the will and the courage to resist and fight odds. He has an inherent drive to master his environment rather than to passively accept it. 11. A realistic perception of the world. He holds a realistic vision and is not given to flight of fancy. He always plans things, acts pragmatically. 12th, a feeling of ease with his surrounding. A well-adjusted individual feels satisfied with his surrounding. He fits in well in his home, family, neighborhood, and other social surrounding. As a student, he likes his school, schoolmates, teachers, feels satisfied with his daily routine. When he enters a profession, he has a love for it and maintains his zeal and enthusiasm despite all odds. A balanced philosophy of a life. 13. A well-adjusted person has a philosophy which gives direction to his life while keeping in view the demand of changed situation and circumstances. This philosophy is centered around the demand of his society, culture, and his own self so that he does not clash with his environment or with himself. So, characteristic of a well-adjusted person He will be a physically adjusted, emotionally adjusted, socially adjusted, awareness of strength and limitation, respect for self and others, adequate level of aspiration, satisfied with basic needs, absence of critical attitude, flexibility in behavior, capacity to deal with adversities, realistic perception of the world, and ease with environment, balanced philosophy of a life.